Chapter 3, Tables in MS Office. 1. Write the steps to create a table by using Insert dialog box. To create a table using the Insert dialog box in MS Word, place the cursor where the table is required. Click on the Insert tab and then click on Table. From the menu, select Insert Table. A dialog box appears. Enter the number of rows and columns needed and choose other settings if required. Click OK, and the table will be inserted into the document. 2. How will you insert a column in a table? To insert a column in a table, first click inside the table near where the new column is needed. Then go to the Layout tab under Table Tools. Click on Insert Left to add a column on the left side or Insert Right to add a column on the right side. A new column will be added to the table at the selected position. 3. How can you split a table? To split a table in MS Word, place the cursor in the row where you want the table to be divided. Then click on the Layout tab under Table Tools. Select the Split Table option. The table will be divided into two separate tables from the selected row. This feature is useful when you want to separate table data into parts. 4. How can you merge table cells? To merge table cells, select the cells you want to combine by dragging the mouse over them. After selecting the cells, click on the Layout tab under Table Tools. Then click on Merge Cells. The selected cells will join together to form a single cell. This is useful for creating headings or combining related information. 5. How will you perform calculations in a table? To perform calculations in a table in MS Word, place the cursor in the cell where the result is required. Click on the Layout tab under Table Tools and select Formula. A formula dialog box appears. Choose the required formula such as sum or average and click OK. MS Word will calculate and display the result in the selected cell.